Hello guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I am detailing a Ducati Multistrada. The motorcycle is under maintenance and had all fairings removed. By the time the service was done, I had the time to work on the fairing, which is in a relatively good condition. It has some surface scratches or love marks. For the first step, I'm using Alchem Virtus 487. Even though this company is not very well known in the detailing industry, they have some great products such as 487. The product has an extended work time and produce very minimal residue. Most of the burned compound stays in the pad and can be removed easily with a soft brush. Some of the parts had deeper scratches, so I used Meguiar's Scratch X 2.0 with hard pad to remove them, then went back again to Virtus 487 to give the paint an even finish. Once all the pieces were done, I used Meguiar's Ultimate Polish with soft pad to give the paint a better depth and glaze. Here are the polished pieces ready to be coated. I will use Nasiol IPA wipe to clear any oils and residue left from the polishing stages. This product is designed to enhance the bonding of ceramic beside the standard IPA function. I am using Nasiol ZR53 ceramic coating. It has H9 hardness. It has a great hydrophobic property. The flash time of Nasiol ZR53 is 30 seconds, so I had to work fast. I applied the ceramic using the pads included in the package on 2 pieces at a time, followed by a thorough buff using a microfiber towel. Next, I cleaned under the seat using IPA and dried the area using a dry microfiber towel. To give the area enough time to dry completely, I removed road paint that was stuck to the rear fender using a soft plastic tool. Then I polished the exhaust using Autosol stainless steel polish. Back to underseat area, I am using Meguiar's Ultimate Black with a brush to ensure that the product has reached all the small areas. I left the product for a few minutes before removing the excess. I noticed that leaving this product on the plastic for 2 to 3 minutes gives better results. Then follow the same steps for all the plastic on the motorcycle. Finally, I used Meguiar's interior detailer with a soft brush to clean and protect the seat. Then repeated the same process on the inside of the seat. And here it is, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.